Power issues with your Oral-B IO toothbrush are among the most common problems users face. These issues typically manifest in three main ways. The toothbrush may refuse to turn on completely, experience intermittent power loss while brushing, or show charging indicator malfunctions that prevent proper battery monitoring. The first troubleshooting approach is a basic reset procedure. This simple three-step process resolves many power-related issues. Start by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then place the toothbrush on its charger for at least 24 hours before testing. Charging base maintenance is crucial for preventing power issues. Bathroom humidity can cause corrosion on the magnetic charging contacts, preventing proper charging. Regular cleaning of the charging contacts, removing debris, ensuring proper alignment, and checking for humidity-related corrosion can prevent most charging problems. If the basic reset fails, try an advanced reset procedure. This involves a longer power button hold and extended charging time. Remove the toothbrush from the charger completely, hold the power button for 30 seconds, then wait 2 minutes before charging for 48 hours. According to dental technology experts, following these reset procedures can resolve 70 to 80% of power-related issues without requiring professional service. When basic reset attempts fail, firmware issues may be the culprit. This is especially common with IO9 models that experience random shutdowns due to Bluetooth connectivity conflicts. Battery degradation typically occurs after 12 to 18 months of use, with heavy users who brush more than 3 times daily experiencing 23% higher failure rates. Prevention is key to extending your toothbrush's lifespan. Follow daily habits like rinsing and drying after use, ensure proper charging placement, and avoid overcharging when possible. Weekly maintenance includes cleaning the charging base contacts, while monthly care involves deep cleaning and battery calibration cycles to maintain optimal performance. If problems persist despite these measures, professional diagnostics may be necessary. Statistics show that 28% of power issues require professional intervention or warranty claims.